Hey guys, it's time for another math lesson today, and we're going to talk about volume. And I don't mean like turn up the volume on the radio so you can hear it. I'm talking about volume, how much things can hold, okay? So I'm at home, so I'm going to pull out this jug that I would put some water in, and then this cup that I might put some coffee in. Which one would hold more fluids? Which one? That's right, my water jug would, right? So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about volume. All right, so we're going to talk about, does it hold more or less? And I hope you guys remember those words from when we did it earlier in math. So let's start with the word more. More. Okay, here we have a swimming pool. Here we have a cup. All right, and our sentence says the pool has more water than the cup. And we know that, right? So if you went to the swimming pool, or even if you had a baby pool outside, when you fill it with water, you can get a lot more water in that pool than you can in one little cup, right? So the opposite way of saying the same thing with the pool and the glass is the cup has less water than the pool. All right, so we're doing more, which is greater, which is bigger, and less, which is a smaller amount. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys, and we're going to do a little sort again like we've been doing and seeing which one is right. All right, let me see if I can pull this up, and hopefully you're seeing what I'm seeing. All right, my computer and my counter here. All right, so I'm going to pull these up for just a second and organize this a little better for us. And I'm going to put this little screen over here so it's not so busy with my countertop here. All right, so I got my clipboard here. I'm going to move this little thing out of the way so we can see everything we have here. All right, so here's my clipboard. I'm going to put the words more over here. It says things that hold more, things that hold less. So I'm going to pull up two things at once, and I want you to tell me which one does it go to. Does it go under the more or the less? Okay. So the first two objects I'm going to do are a milk jug. Can you see that? And a sink. Which one of these two holds more? Which one would hold more? If I poured the milk into the sink, would it fill that sink all the way up to the top? No, so the sink would hold more, right? And the milk jug would hold less. Good. All right, let's do another comparison. All right, we have a bathtub. We're going to fill that thing up with some water and a soda bottle. Which one of these holds less? Which one holds less? That's right, your soda bottle holds less amount of fluids, right? So the volume in here is less, so we're going to put it there. My bathtub holds more. It would hold more water. All right, now if you were paying attention to when I first started, this was on the first sheet, so this is pretty easy. We have a pool and a cup. Which one holds more? That's right, the pool holds more, right? Definitely has a lot of water in there. And what about this cup of water? Even though it's full, it holds less than that pool, right? Good. And our last comparison, anybody know what these are? Those are measuring spoons we might find in the kitchen. Measuring spoons. And this is a fish tank, Which one of these two holds less? That's right, your measuring spoons would hold less. They just hold a little bit amount of something. And my, fish tank holds more because there's a lot of water in there, right? So here we have the concept of more or less, and that's called volume. How much stuff you can get into it, okay? Some sort of a liquid. So the sink would hold a lot of water. The bathtub holds lots of water. A swimming pool holds an enormous amount of water. And a fish tank, depending on the size, holds a lot of water. Okay, and it doesn't always have to be water. It's just that this whole side was water. It's just some kind of liquid. So over here we have milk, and we know a milk jug, we can carry it. We can't carry around a big old swimming pool, could we? So we know the milk holds less. A soda bottle holds less amount of fluids. A cup holds a little amount, and measuring spoons, they hold a little bit of liquid. Okay, so today, when you get your assignment on Class Kick, you're going to look carefully at the objects and see which one do you think would hold more liquid volume than the other. Okay, if you have any questions, please let your teacher know when you Zoom today. Okay, she'll be going over this during your Zooms today. If you're feeling a little lost, just ask her, say, I don't quite understand this concept, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Okay. Good job, guys, and I hope everybody has a wonderful afternoon. Do your Class Kick, and we'll see you tomorrow.